Hello and welcome to a Good Friday edition of our Back in Stock videos. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph and I'm here in the warehouse as usual, taking a walk around to see what's available for your Triumph motorcycles this week. So let's see what I found. Okay, then here we go. We've got the tie rod chain adjuster for the Triumph T140. That's from 1981 onwards for the new but very old stock that we have available at the moment. That's part number 717255 and that is £15 and 54 pence including VAT. Part number 713681, the cylinder head gasket in copper. This item does need annealing before fitting, and that is £32 and 34 pence including VAT. And finally, a front set of brake shoes. That's part number 371732/33 is £47 and 26 pence including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned this week for your classic Triumph, but you'd like to know if it's available, why not check out the Andover Triumph website. It is linked in the section below. And until next time, have a great Easter weekend, don't have too much chocolate, and I'll catch you next week. Safe riding.